Hi kids, are you ready for the class? Do you remember children what we learned in the first video? Wow, awesome! Kitchen tools and equipments. For example, ladle, spoon, knife, etc. Let's move to the topic of the day. Today, our topic is sounds of oo. Long oo and short oo. Sounds of O. Now listen this video children.
Ooh. Ooh. Boot. Ooh. Moon. Ooh. Spoon. Ooh. Goose. Ooh. Moose. Ooh. Food. Uh. Book. Cook. Wood. Foot. Ooh. Ooh. Boot. Book. Ooh. Ooh. Food. Foot. Read a sentence. My foot goes in my boot. This food is good.
Now listen to the sound and repeat children. F-O-O-T, foot. B-O-O-K, book. H-O-O-K, hook. Listen and repeat with me children. B-O-O-K, book. F-O-O-T, foot. W-O-O-D, wood. H-O-O-K, hook. R-O-O-K, rook. S-T-O-O-D, stood. G-O-O-D, good. C-O-O-K, cook. L-O-O-K, look. N-O-O-K, nook. W-O-O-L, wool. S-H-O-O-K, shook. Hope you all understood the sounds of O. Now we can recall the kitchen tools. First one, funnel, strainer, pot, mixer, stove, tablespoon, cutting board, churner, knife and peeler. Now move on to the next page children. Tongs, pan, ladle, bowl, tray, rolling pin, kettle, cup and saucer, grater, plate, lemon squeezer, lota and the last one is tumbler. Did you all understood? Let's get ready for the home test kids. See, some of them are already ready with their notebooks. Wow, super. The first question is, Choose the names of the kitchen tools and write it below. You have to read all the kitchen tools given in the blue box and you have to write it below. Okay. And the second question is, circle the words with O sound. For example, I have given the spoon. Like that you have to search the words with that O and you have to circle it. And the last one is reading skill. What you have to do in this? You have to read all the kitchen tools which is given and you have to send it through voice message. Read with the spellings. For example, plate, plate. Like that you should read with the spellings and send it through voice message. Did you all enjoy the class, children? Okay, children, bye.